Hi, hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are gonna do a get ready with me, but we are doing a no makeup look and the spring edition. So I do have some new items to test, so I am very excited. I have my skincare on, that includes SPF, and today we are gonna use the NYX Bear With Me Concealer Serum because I just want something very fast for the base. I'm not gonna put any primer on, the sunscreen is more than enough, and we are gonna dot this one everywhere, but I'm gonna put a small amount because this one is pretty spreadable, and it is the first time I'm using this one with the matte SPF from Beauty of Joseon, so I'm curious how it will look. This is the shade medium vanilla from the NYX concealer, and I'm gonna use a sponge and just blend this one in. Let's prep the lips as well. I bought this one. It is the L'Oreal Plump Ambition, the plumping lip oil. It's nice overall, but it is hurting your throat if you are just swallowing a bit, so just be careful and don't apply too much. This concealer is not full coverage, so it doesn't cover this much redness, but it's totally fine, I don't mind. I'm gonna use the Huda Beauty pink powder. This is in Cherry Blossom Cake. This combo of the Huda powder and the NYX concealer is really bulletproof because I'm applying a small amount, and that is a good hack overall. If you want your makeup to last longer, don't apply a heavy layer, otherwise it will just move a bit. But with this thin of a layer, it is really easy to set it in place and it will look flawless the whole day. For bronzer, I'm using the L'Oreal one, the Infaillible. This shade is really nice for me because, like I said, I have some self tanner on, and this will look very sun-kissed and really pretty overall. I do have a new blush to test. I've been purchasing so many blushes, but it is my favorite category right now. This is from the Sephora line. It is the colorful blush. I've got the shade Sunrise, and I have high hopes. This looks so nice. The packaging is so cute, and this is a very highlighty kind of blush, so I am excited. I'm gonna use a Rephr brush. This is number 37, and let's see how pigmented this is and if it looks cute on the cheeks. We are not gonna use highlighter today as well because this, I am pretty sure it will be luminous enough. Yeah, it is very highlighty. What do you think? It's a lot of highlighter and less blush, if you are asking me, but it looks beautiful on the cheeks. So I'm gonna apply some setting spray just to see how it melts into the skin, but so far it's very, you for sure don't need highlighter if you are applying this one. I'm gonna apply a bit of brow pencil, and I do have a new brow gel to test. My favorite Too Faced brow gel is out of stock, and I have just one in my collection. I don't have, that was my last backup. And yeah, I don't know if they are discontinuing it, which I am very afraid of, but I decided to purchase a mini Benefit one just to test it out. The Rare Beauty one is really good, so I think I will be okay by using that one. If Too Faced doesn't want money from me, sure, I'm gonna give it to Rare Beauty. I prefer Rare Beauty a million times anyway, but the brow gel, I'm gonna miss it for sure. So I put just a bit of pencil down, and let's test this one. This is the Fluff Up Brow Wax. So yeah, Benefit does amazing brow products, and this pulley looks so nice. So let's see I like the spoolie, and that is very, very important, but this applicator is a bit hard to hold. For eyes, I want to apply only mascara, so I will apply this Burgundy one for a springy look, even though this is not a burgundy enough in my opinion, but I have it, so let's use it. Okay, and lastly for lips, I bought the Makeup by Mario newer lip gloss, and I am very curious. So let's apply first, because I always apply a lip liner first. This is Hazelnut from ABH. I love this lip liner, it's so nice. And this is the lip gloss. So we have the Supershine lip gloss in the shade Bear. So let's apply a bit of this. It has a type of applicator like the Rare Beauty blushes. It's a flat one with a bit of a small divot, and you get the product there. It is that lip gloss lip oil hybrid thing that I really, really like. It's nice, and I am matching very, very well. Orange cheeks with orange lips with orange nails. I am a full orange. The brows are the most important ones for today. They seem pretty flexible, which the Too Faced one is a bit flexible as well, but I hope they are not gonna drop in like 2 hours or something. The blush is very beautiful, but can you call it a blush? Because I would say that it is a highlighter with a bit of color in it, because I put a good quantity of bronzer underneath as well, so you are seeing on the cheeks some bronzer as well. The lip gloss is nice. Overall, I did like everything, but I'm very curious how everything will wear. So if you like this video and you want to see more from me, please subscribe and give it a like, and I will see you next time.